Donatello is finished. Unfortunately, I stopped recording after we did the shoes. I got really frustrated kind of doing the mold and things weren't turning out the way I had hoped. Since we cut off on the shoes, I built this communicator. Dilly Bear on Reddit made the sticker inside that I put inside of a Game Boy to look like a communicator. I threw a backpack on him that I kind of cut up. We attached tools to it. Let's kind of work our way up. So here I got a medical pack. So I took an old Nintendo that doesn't work anymore. There's some batteries in it. And we just kind of had wires that went to everything. So we have wires that run up here to his flashlight. I had another wire that ran to his headset. Another wire, I don't know where it starts and begins, but it kind of goes down here to his Game Boy communicator. I had a neutrino one from Ghostbusters. It just kind of pay homage to the Ghostbusters crossover. And Egon is my favorite character. I put an antenna here that kind of came off of the Nintendo. These are old Game Boys that were broke, and I kind of just took them apart to look like chips. This is a piece of a hair dryer for my wife. I mean, I used hot glue and then painted it silver to make it look like soldering. My wife did the rusting I may have a picture of what I did. And it was terrible. It was terrible. She came in and fixed it. But yeah, you can kind of just see there's just a lot of tech. The next project, Raphael. And there he is. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thanks for checking it out. Zoom.